Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Videos option right away. Then you can add any video by clicking on it. But you can also click on Shoot Video instead. Create it and hit OK in order to add it. In order to add an audio file, you can tap on the same plus and choose Record Audio next to Shoot Video. Then record it, and in order to add it, click on Done at the bottom right corner. You can also add previously created audio by selecting the same plus one more time, but this time choosing Audio's option. Now you can tap on one of those sounds, or by selecting Custom Ringtone at the top, pick any sound from your device or any recording. Just click on it and tap on the back button. So when I do that, I can see that my audio file was successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!